Today I wanted to do an unboxing. I just received a package from Thrive Market and I wanted to share with you a little bit about the market and why I use them. If you're new here, this is the Culinary Cam YouTube channel and my name is Kamala. I have actually been part of Thrive Market since 2015 and I've just recently started looking at them more and more because it's a great opportunity for me to have quality products and ingredients delivered right to my doorstep. They have a huge variety of food items and household goods. They do have brand name products, but they are able to keep their prices low by buying in bulk and packaging it with their own label, which I really, really like. So let's see what we got today. Okay, so one thing to note, they always say who packed it, so this shows Packed with Love by Angel. And then another thing I love about Thrive, everything in the box is 100% recyclable, so there's not a whole lot of waste. And another great thing, so the membership to Thrive sponsors a free membership for a family in need. So you're also doing good while you get your goods delivered to your house. So again, completely recyclable. I remembered. So today I got a lot of spices because I want to show you how to make some spice blends at home. So we will be doing spice blends coming up. They are organic, they're non-GMO, and they are, again, as I said, it's the Thrive label. So it doesn't cost a lot, the packaging is minimal. So I just have jarred spices in my kitchen and I refill with these, with the spice blends that I make. Thrive Market is a California-based membership company. So it's sort of like Costco. You pay a membership annually, you get wholesale prices, and it comes right to your door. Oh, and then I did get a package of organic whole dried cranberries for the next time I do granola. When my family runs out of this, I will add this to the next batch. So I ordered an array of spices this time around, from ground cardamom, ground cinnamon, paprika, ground ginger, fennel seeds, ground cumin, smoked paprika, garlic powder, ground nutmeg, oregano, bay leaves, ground coriander, and yellow mustard seed powder. I use the ground cardamom in crepes just by itself. There are so many things that you can do with these that I will share with you. Okay, so I laid out all of the spices that I just got in my package from Thrive Market, just in a way to sort of point out how I'm going to do some spice blends that you'll see in some upcoming videos. So we have ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, and ground cardamom. So these four together are sort of what I put in a lot of baked goods. It adds that really warm spiciness that I just love, and I think I will share with you a baked apple recipe coming up. The smoked paprika and ground cumin I like to put into Spanish foods and Mexican foods. Garlic, fennel, and oregano, and paprika, these four I use in a lot of Mediterranean recipes. And then bay leaves I use in almost every soup I make. So, oh, and the mustard seed I will put into a curry powder with some of these other spices. I really like that they're organic and non-GMO. And I didn't even tell you the price for these. I believe these are a little less than $3. So they're pretty economical as well. If you are interested in trying out Thrive Market for yourself, I will drop a referral link in the description below for 25% off your first order. I am an affiliate for Thrive Market. So if you make a purchase, I do get a small commission, but it doesn't cost you anything more, and we really appreciate the support. If you like this video, please click like and also ring that notification bell and click subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I just wanted to point out a few things that I really like about the Thrive Market website. The first is that you can search really easily by ways of eating. So if you click on diets, is what they call it, then you can click on vegan, paleo, gluten-free. All of that will come up with every single product they have that fits into that category. I really like that. The second thing I like about the website is they have a section where it shows everything that I have ordered in the past. So if I really like a product, I can go straight back to that and reorder it. And then the third element that I like about the website is they have suggestions for me. So based on products that I buy frequently, they will show me a similar product. So as an example, if I buy dried organic cranberries and dried organic apricots, then in that section might be dried organic figs, which I typically would buy. So those are just 3 elements to the Thrive Market website that make it so much easier for me to purchase goods from them.